welcome back to Prestigious Prep by Paris. I am Paris. Thank you so much for being here. If you are a returning member of the Prep Squad, thank you so much for coming back and spending time with me. If you are a new member of the Prep Squad, welcome. Over here at Prestigious Prep, we desire to excel in all areas of our lives, and that means we leave no stone unturned. So in our family and our friendship and our finances and every single thing that we do, we just want to excel. Every day we rise, we put our best foot forward, hopefully in the right direction. God is the head of our lives over here, as I tell you guys in every video. However, we are not a perfect people and we have not yet arrived. So over here, you will get a little bit of everything. You will get a little bit of girl chats, little chit chats. You'll get a little bit of fashion hauls. You will get some travel. You will get some education tips, some credit tips, some product reviews, all kinds of things. So if you want to, join us and have a good time over here with us, and you're more than welcome to do so. All you have to do is click the like button, first of all, down below, and subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, make sure you click the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. All right, so today's video is actually going to be about this hair right here, okay? We're just gonna have to get into it, okay? So I ended up taking my last style down. So I had those faux locks. If you haven't seen that video, please make sure you go ahead and check that out. I showed you guys how I installed it. I showed you guys my maintenance, and I also gave you guys a little bit of what the takedown all entailed and my final thoughts on that. So I'm just looking for styles that are easy, number one, easy for me, very low maintenance, but still very cute. And I'm also looking for things that are affordable, right? I don't mind spending a cute coin if it makes sense. However, honey, if I don't have to, I don't want to do so, okay? And while we're at it, just listen. I was being lazy and I did not pull out my big dramatic light as well. So we are using the ring light, honey. So y'all just excuse the glare that's on my glasses. I know y'all see them. I know they're real cute, okay? Have some more eyeglasses content coming to you guys in partnership with a few people. So I'm excited about that. But anyway, however, we are back. So anyway, this crochet style is what we're talking about today. It is the Freetress Deep Twist hair in a 1B, and it is 22 inches. I will go ahead and pop up a picture right here of what it looks like. And I bought 5 packs, and we used probably about almost 4. And so I did not do this myself. My good girlfriend did, and so I think she did a fabulous job. And so I wanted to come to you guys and talk to you guys about it. I've been wanting this style forever, period. Like, my girlfriend that did my hair, like, her hair is all the way, her hair is always laid when she gets it like this, and I was like, I am going to do that, okay? I'm going to do that, okay? And so we finally did that. And so I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts about it. Let you see a little bit of the actual install. I'll show you a little bit of how she did that. And then after you get a chance to look at that, then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. All right, see you in a minute.
Yeah. Hey, look. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park, you be my rock, I be your big ticket. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in and show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. I got it. Jump out of a window if you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might already so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah. gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. We show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. Jump out of a window if you call me. Jump out of a window. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticker. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt ya. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. Jump out of a window if you call me. Touch your name on my neck, I promise. Girl, I swear I'm obsessed. Whatever you want, girl, it's no problem. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. Your love's my drug and I'm obsessed with you. You got a hold on me, where you controlling me. Think I might overdose, so hypnotic. Where you got my heart trap. Take my wallet, fly you all across the map. Oh yeah. Rock solid, yeah, you know I'm gon' support ya. Anything you want, girl, I'ma spoil ya. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. We show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the rooftops. Jump out of a window if you call.
Alright, so that's pretty much the install from start to finish. And like I said, I'm loving the hair. I'm loving it. I don't have any complaints. I will say though, it is low maintenance, but it's not, if that makes sense. So you do have to, tie your hair up, or, tie your hair up every night. It does shed. It is synthetic hair. It's not human hair. So there's that. You are limited. I would not recommend putting any product on this hair at all. And that's pretty much it. You just kind of have to be patient with it. Like I said, it's synthetic.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We can 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big ticker. I'm tryna show
here and literally 2 twists in the back, and then I put on my satin bonnet and I go to sleep. Okay, that's how I sleep every night. I spray a little bit of water on each section and I twist it up. When I take it down, I spray a little bit of water on each section, and I just pretty much take my time to separate it, and then it fluffs back out to this. We did do a little bit of cutting and a little bit of framing for my face. I initially thought I was gonna do more, but I don't know, probably won't. So this is what we have going on here. So just a close-up look. Today is actually, we did my hair on a Friday, and today is the Wednesday following. So not quite a week yet, and I'm still loving it. I have tried this in all kinds of. I've had a bun, I've had a ponytail, I've had half up, half down, honey. I've had it down, I've had the side part, I've had the middle part. So I'm liking it. Like I said, so a couple of tips here. Like I said, when you go to bed every night, you do want to make sure you're putting your hair in. So, I mean, maybe you could do 2 sections. I do 4 sections because I like to be able to get to the root and make sure the root is nice and detangled. I don't want to get in that situation where I put it in 2 ponytails and then the middle of, or the top part, the root is not tended to. So that's why I do 4. So that would be my recommendation, to do 4 if you're going to do it. And then just put your satin cap on and go to sleep. I also put a little silk scarf around my edges, just pretty much to protect it. The other thing I would say is don't overdo it with the hair. Be very careful when you split it. There's a very specific way that it has to be split in order for it to work well for you. So when you go to separate, just slowly kind of work the hair apart and then split it where it wants to split naturally. So don't overdo it. Do very small pieces. You saw that in the video. She took very, very small pieces. You even saw her splitting as well. I would also say for me, I have 14 braids going across. You saw that. And then the build up in the back. We put the net on it, so when she went to put or crochet the hair in, she was not limited to where she could do it. Like, because obviously if you do your hair straight back, or even if you do it in a beehive, it's still, you're kind of limited with spacing in some instances. So I just went ahead and put that net on the back to just give us extra opportunity, and plus to give my hair a little bit more protection. As you saw, we did not put the net across the top, and we did very, very small braids across the top. So even when I pull it up, it does not look crochet-y, right? You know what I mean? Like, y'all know what I mean. So you know how you get crochet, you see people who crochet hair and you're like, I can see her braids. Like it's crochet-y. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. I did not want that effect at all, and so I did do the small braids across the top, and I'm loving it because I could go middle part. We could go, let's see, side part, which I have kind of pretty much, it's kind of been my thing, side part, if I'm like in the house. And then if I go out and I'm feeling extra cute, extra dramatic, then I'll go ahead and flip it. Okay, so whatever your preference is, but having the small braids in the front allows you to have the illusion of I have crochet, but not really, right? It doesn't necessarily look like that. And what we also did is I started my braids a little bit further back, so not right at the very edge. I pushed it back just a little bit, so then we can have this space right here. There you go. Yeah, this space right here, so we can actually add hair onto the front. So when I pull my hair back or when I pull it up, you don't immediately see a braid, like a braid with crochet on it. You just kind of see the hair weaved into the base of, or the front, if you will, of my hair. So another thing is, if you saw in the video, we did that anchor braid around the back. So when I pull my hair up, which I'll show you guys, when I pull my hair up, it gives a nice flat look versus it looking, again, crochet-y. Okay, I didn't really want to give crochet. Obviously, you could tell it's crochet, but anyway, I wanted to be as natural as possible, and so that's why we took the route we took. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you tried this before, if you like it, what you think about it. Okay, so far I'm really enjoying it. So I'm actually going to Florida, and I am considering wearing this hair as well. So I think it might be great. It does love water. Water does really good with it, and you know, water and just kind of a simple detangle, a patient detangle, and then you're going on about your business. So we'll see. We'll see. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did and you made it all the way to the end, then clearly you did. Okay, we're just gonna agree that you did. Okay, so go ahead and like the video, comment on the video. Please make sure you share the video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure that you do so. And like I said, don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, I hope God is doing everything you ask him to do, giving you the desires of your heart. And until next time, Bye, guys.
Hey, look. You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 and Park. You be my rock, I be your big tigger. I'm tryna show you off. I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in. Show you how we do this. I put our love on a billboard, so you just need to look out your window. Show the whole city I'm all yours. Let me put us on display. I'll shout it from the